Hi, everyone. Welcome back to U.S. Immigration News, your go-to resource for clear, up-to-date info on U.S. immigrant visas. If you're waiting on the National Visa Center NVC for your case, we know that anticipation can feel endless. Today, we're diving into the latest NVC processing times as of October 6, 2025, straight from official sources. We'll cover the current timelines, key tips to stay on track, and important updates from the October 2025 Visa Bulletin that could speed things up for you, whether you're on a family-sponsored or employment-based path. Stick around, this could be the update you've been waiting for. Let's jump in. Current NVC processing times, the numbers you need. As of October 6, 2025, the NVC has shared their weekly update on processing times. These apply to immediate relative, family preference, and employment preference cases. Remember, this doesn't cover diversity visas, special immigrant visas, K/fiancé visas, or adoptions, so check specific guidance if that's you. Here's the breakdown in a quick table. We'll have this pinned in the description too. Process stage and current processing dates. Case creation, September 9th, 2025. Document review, September 24th, 2025. Public inquiry responses, September 29th, 2025. What does this mean? If USCIS approve your petition around early September, NVC should be creating your case. Files soon. Expect that welcome letter with your case number and invoice ID any day now. For document reviews, if you submitted everything by late September, you're likely in the queue. And for inquiries, they're catching up fast, responding to forms from just a week prior. These times are updated every week on the official site, so bookmark it and check back at the small lag, but it shows NVC is moving steadily despite high volumes. The current scenario, how things are flowing in 2025. The 2025 immigration landscape is busy, with steady demand across family and employment categories. NVC's role after USCIS approval is to review your docs, confirm fees, and get you ready for your embassy interview. Right now, the system is handling cases from mid to late September efficiently, which is a positive sign compared to busier periods earlier this year. No major backlogs reported, but patience is key as they prioritize completeness. Pro tip: use your wait time wisely. Gather civil documents like birth or marriage certificates early, and double-check your financial evidence for the affidavit of support. This keeps everything smooth when it's your turn. New rules, requirements, and key changes. What's fresh? Now, let's talk updates. No big overhauls, but a few essentials to flag for compliance and peace of mind. 1-year contact rule, INA Section 203G. This is a core requirement. Once NVC notifies you of visa availability, you have 1 year to apply or risk petition termination. But here's the flexibility. If delays are beyond your control, like emergencies, you can request reinstatement within 2 years, keeping your priority date intact. It's designed to protect you, so stay proactive with responses. Fiscal year 2026 limits kick in. With the new fiscal year starting October 1st, 2025, family-sponsored visas are capped at 226,000 and employment-based at 140,000. Per country limits are 7%, about 25,620. This resets availability, potentially opening doors for more cases. Great for backlog categories. Visa Bulletin changes for October 2025. The latest bulletin brings some movement. For family-sponsored, F2A, spouses/children of permanent residents, advances to February 1st, 2024 final action, with filing dates zooming to September 22nd, 2025, meaning you can submit to NVC sooner if eligible. Employment-based, EB, one for China or India sees slight retrogression, December 22nd, 2022/February 15th, 2022, but EB, 3 advances to April 1st, 2023, for most. A note: the religious workers category, EB4SR, is unavailable until possibly extended by Congress. Keep an eye on that. Overall, these tweaks reflect demand balancing, with no widespread retrogressions. If your priority date is current C, you're golden. Proceed to NVC docs right away. Actionable tips: stay ahead in your journey. To wrap up the how-to, safeguard your welcome letter. It's your golden ticket. Case number and invoice ID for CEAC access. Lose it? Delays galore. Avoid duplicate inquiries. Only follow-up if it's past the posted time frame helps everyone, including you. Prep for CAC. Log in at csc.state.gov to track status and submit DS-260 forms. Check your dates. Use the Visa Bulletin tool to see if you're eligible now. USCIS confirms filing rules monthly. If you're just starting, remember, this process rewards preparation. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Immigration can be a marathon, but updates like these make it manageable. Drop a comment. What's your visa category and how long have you been waiting? We'll reply.
NVC processing time updates. As of October 6, 2025, the National Visa Center is processing cases from early to late September efficiently, covering immediate relatives, family preference, and employment-based petitions. Case creation, document review, and public inquiry responses are progressing steadily, with weekly updates available online. The October 2025 Visa Bulletin shows family-sponsored F2A dates advancing, while EB1 for China, India slightly retrogress, and EB3 progresses for most. Fiscal year 2026 visa limits are now active, including per country caps affecting availability. Key compliance reminders include the 1-year contact rule, safeguarding your welcome letter, and submitting accurate DS-260 and supporting documents. Pro tips: gather civil and financial evidence early, avoid duplicate inquiries, and track CEAC status for a smooth visa journey.